Good evening and welcome. Today we bring you a heartbreaking story that has shaken the entire nation. The brutal terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. Let's dive into the full detail of what happened, how the situation has escalated and the massive impact it has had on India-Pakistan relation. On the evening of April 25, 2025, terror struck the peaceful town of Pahalgam, a popular tourist destination in Jammu and Kashmir. Armed militant launched an indiscriminate attack on a crowded area, opening fire on innocent civilians. In this horrific assault, 26 people lost their lives, most of them Hindu pilgrims visiting the sacred site. Several others were seriously injured and have been rushed to hospitals in Srinagar, with many still battling for their life. Initial investigation by the intelligence agency point toward the involvement of the Pakistan-based terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba. Soon after the attack, Indian security forces sealed off the area and launched massive search operations. Reports suggest that some terrorists might still be hiding in the nearby forest and operations are underway to neutralize them. In response to this heinous act, the Indian government has taken a serious, strong actions. Suspension of the Hindu Water Treaty, a historic agreement from 1960 that government the sharing of river water between India and Pakistan. Immediate cancel of all category of visas for Pakistan citizens, including medical, tourist and business visa. Explosion of Pakistani diplomats from Indian soil. Meanwhile, the Indian Army has intensified deployment along the line of control, and reports of cross-border firing are coming in from multiple sectors. This attack has not just claimed innocent lives, it has deeply wounded the heart of every Indian. Protests have erupted across major cities demanding strict action against Pakistan and its sponsor terrorism. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, addressing the nation, vowed that the sacrifice of your martyr will not go in vain and assure the people that India will give a fighting response. Experts believe that India-Pakistan relations, already strained, have now hit a new low. Diplomatic ties are expected to suffer further setback. At the international level, several countries have condemned the attack and expressed solidarity with India, but this time New Delhi has made it clear it will act on its own terms. As the nation mourns its dead, it also stands united, stronger and more determined than ever. We pay your heartfelt tribute to the victim and salute the bravery of your security forces.